So guys, today we have rocks in that truck. So we have holes in our backyard. So today we're gonna fill up these holes with some limestone. I've done this already. Well, mostly him, but.
And why are we doing this?
Because we have holes.
Where are the holes from?
No clue.
When the rain falls, we've got this retaining pond. Our yard is pretty steep, so when the rain falls, it runs real hard downhill. And when that happens, it just takes the dirt away. You'll see it more on the other side. We'll get over there. But so somebody put a retaining wall in here to stop that from happening. But the water just runs around the sides, and all the sand goes away. So we're gonna fill it in with rock to try to slow the water down and stop that from happening.
The more you learn. For me, this is faster and easy.
Alright, what do you think?
I'm gonna stand.
You kind of want it like up here and let it roll down. Just don't.
Austin!
Is that good?
The idea is you want to start it. All right, we finished with the first load. It's time to go get the second load. This truck will only hold a half a yard of this rock. It's kind of an old truck, so I don't want to push it too hard and put the whole yard in there. I don't even know if it'd fit if we tried. But at any rate, so we're out to get the second load. All right, this is the second hole. I didn't show you filling up the first hole, but this is what it looked like on the other side. We put some things, some bricks and other stuff in there over time to try to fill it in, but we're gonna use this gravel, and I think that should be enough. It's better than it was, but I think we could use a whole nother yard of gravel in here. That's it. We'll see you guys later. Have a good one.